languages. So now we are going to learn how what you need to do in order to do very nice essay. Many of my students have done very well, pretty well in writing and in short, generally in IELTS, and I believe you could be one of them if you do the right thing. Now, writing IELTS will be testing you on task one and task two. Task one constitutes the 33% of the total writing marks, while task two constitutes 66 or so percent of the total writing marks. Of course, you can see that task two writing constitutes the larger percentage of your writing marks. So you have to pay close attention to task two. So now task one, let's start with task one. Task one, what are you exactly going to see in task one? You will see something like if you are doing academic, of course, you know that there are those of you who are doing academic and those who are doing general, you don't write the same kind of task one IELTS exam. So what those who do general write is different from what those who do academic write. Now, those who do general will be writing later, maybe formal letter or informal letter, semi-formal letter. But those who are doing academic will be writing on maybe writing a report on, let's say, bar chart, pie chart, line graph, maps, diagram, and all of those. So now you may need to know how to tackle task one writing, which is remarkably different from task two writing. Now I will tell you the structural pattern of IELTS task one writing. Okay, we have the introduction, which is the very first paragraph. Then you have what we call overview. Yeah, then you now have the body. These are the structural pattern of IELTS. So yeah, let me take it again. The introduction, overview, and the body. So when you come to the body, what exactly are you to do in the body? You are to you paraphrase the information given to you about the task. That is what you are doing there. You are paraphrasing the information given to you about the task. I'm going to show you exactly that at the end of this session. Yeah, and then you what you do in overview, you kind of give a highlight, a kind of summary of key features of the task given to you in the overview. So it's advisable you start overall with overview with overall, that adverb overall, showing us the kind of summary or the key features of the task to writing, just the overview. So there you are not bringing in data, you're just trying to summarize, you're trying to give key features of what you find in that report. You are not bringing in data yet, you don't have to do that. That's what, when you do that, you have to do that in your body paragraphs. That's when you do that. Now what's the body paragraph going to be like? You can have 2 or 3 body paragraphs depending on the data you find in the task. So you may have to categorize your data in such a way that you have this, and this together in one paragraph, and the other one and the other one, the other paragraph. So if there are 2 obvious categories, you can divide the data into 2 and then discuss this group of data in one paragraph and then the other ones in another paragraph. If you look at the report and you think there are 3 categories you can make out of that, there is no particular way to do the body paragraph. You just, anything that you think